Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinabon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make desiccated coconut bread. This turned out so delicious. It's easy to make, especially if you're a coconut lover. You're definitely going to love this recipe. It's amazing, it's beautiful, and I hope you're going to give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. Let's get started. In the mixing bowl, I added in flour, powdered milk, which is totally optional. I added in sugar as well and dry active yeast. I'll stir those ingredients together till well combined and create a well in the middle. After, I added in warm milk, honey, oil. So the oil, I'm using sunflower oil. You can use vegetable oil as well. I then added in egg, coconut flavor, and then the last ingredient that I'll be adding is salt. So basically these are the ingredients needed. I'll mix with my hands until it forms a dough. So make sure you knead it for about 5 to 7 minutes. Play with the dough, let it be stretchy, and at the end you get a great result. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So after everything has come together, I'll cover it with a cling film and then I'll put it in my microwave and let it sit until it has doubled in size. In the different bowl, I'll add an egg and then I'll wait until I'll wait it. I'll then add in sugar, desiccated coconut, and softened butter. Make sure you stir it till everything has come together until well combined. So you're looking for a creamy consistency. This should be more or less the consistency you're looking for. If it's too soft, add in a little bit of desiccated coconut and set it aside. Once the dough has doubled in size, I sprinkle a little bit of flour on my work surface. I deflated the dough, transfer it on my work surface, and sprinkle a little bit of flour on top. So I then mold it to make sure it's well smooth, and then I use my fingertips to press it to make it flat. I'll then go in with the rolling pin and roll it. So you're looking for a square shape, and then it should be around 60 or 50 to 60 centimeters. The thickness should be around 5 to 6 millimeters. When done, spread the coconut mixture on it, like on 2/3 of the dough. Spread it on it because at the end we're going to fold it into 3 parts. So when done, fold the other side, like where there's no desiccated coconut, and then fold the other side on top where you started the desiccated coconut. If you don't understand anything, just watch the video carefully or go back and then watch it carefully. You will understand everything. After, I divided it into 2 equal parts, then 4, and then 8 pieces. So this is what you're looking for. Bring one of them, stretch it, and then twist it as demonstrated in the video. Basically this is it. It's simple and easy, and you're ready. In no time it will be ready. Once you are done, let it sit. Cover it with a cling film or a napkin and let it sit for at least 2 hours or until it has doubled in size. Once it has doubled in size, go ahead and brush on top with an egg wash and bake these bad boys at 170 degrees Celsius from 20 to 25 minutes. Before, sprinkle a little bit of the desiccated coconut on top, which is totally optional, and bake these bad boys at 170 degrees Celsius from 20 to 25 minutes. When you are done baking, this should be it. Make sure you brush on top with an butter, softened or melted butter, and guys, this is it. This is simple, it is easy, and it is so delicious. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If you like this recipe, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, share, follow my page, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And guys, just look at this amazing bread. It's so delicious, it's beautiful, and your kids are going to love it. See you, bye bye.